Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove a background sound on TikTok. So here I've already on my TikTok apps and I'm going to just click on the plus icon and choose a video that I want to upload to TikTok. For example, for example, I want to upload this video. Just click on next. So this video already had a song or a sound to it. So if you want to remove the background or the original sound, so I'm going to just click on the add sound first and then add the music. For example, I'm going to just add this one, and in here there will be original sound. In here you can adjust the volume by clicking on dragging this panels right here to the left, and it will be muted. Or if you want to remove it completely, you can just uncheck this circle so that your background sound or the original sound will be removed. And after that, you can just click on next, then upload your video. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.